Good morning friends. I am Tupi Amruta. We see today is the oxidation. In this oxidation we see the Beer-Villager reaction, mechanism of this Beer-Villager reaction, migratory aptitude, then application of Beer-Villager reaction, and second reaction is the Dakin reaction, its mechanism and its application. So see first, what is the oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but the process in which we call addition of oxygen, then removal of hydrogen, loss of an electron and increase in oxidation number takes place. So you see the example, when ethanol can be oxidized, it will be form the ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH is loss of hydrogen, there is formation of CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde. We would need to use an oxidizing agent to remove the hydrogen from ethanol. For this we use the oxidizing agent. The commonly used oxidizing agent is potassium dichromate in with dilute H2SO4, that is K2Cr2O7 in dilute H2SO4. In next we see the Beer-Villager oxidation reaction. The transformation for ketones into ester and cyclic ketones into lactones or hydroxy acid by using peroxy acid, it is discovered by Beer and Villager in 1899. A wide range of oxidizing agent can be used to perform the Beer-Villager reaction. The reagent is used in this rearrangement is meta-MCPBA, that is metachloroperbenzoic acid and peracetic acids. Then reactive or strained ketones react with hydrogen peroxide to form a lactone. That is, in Beer-Villager reaction we can convert ketone into ester and ketones into lactones or hydroxy acid by using the MCPBA or peracetic acid. Then see the mechanism, when this ketone in presence of peracetic acid there is formation of this ester. Then it is the application or migratory aptitude. The order of preference for migration among the alkyl group is tertiary, secondary, primary and the methyl group. That is, tertiary is more preferable than secondary, primary and methyl group. The aryl group migrates in preference to methyl and primary alkyl groups. That is, aryl group, that is aromatic group is migrate more preferable than alkyl and methyl group. Then next, the applications of Beer-Villager oxidation. This synthesis is used for the transformation of ketones into ester. An oxygen atom is inserted next to the carbonyl group. This reaction is applicable to both the acyclic ketones and cyclic ketone. That is, main application is it is useful for the both acyclic ketone and cyclic ketone. The oxidation of cyclic ketone occurs with ring expansion and form the lactones. That is, when ring expand there is formation of ketone into lactone. The conversion of cyclohexanone to lactone by this method. We see the example, there is a cyclohexanone in presence of MCPBA in CH2Cl2, there is formation of ring expansion in the lactone. Then next is the this is the second one application. Beer-Villager oxidation is also possible by the action of enzyme, that is cyclohexanone is converted into lactone by using purified cyclohexanone oxygenase enzyme. This is the used by oxygenase enzyme. Then next reaction is the Dakin reaction. This reaction is the oxidation of aldehyde and ketones into the corresponding phenols. We see the Beer-Villager, this ketone is converted into ester. So in this Dakin reaction there is a aldehyde and ketones to the corresponding phenol. This is known as the Dakin reaction. The reaction works best if the aromatic aldehyde or ketone is electron rich. The reagent used in Dakin reaction is alkaline H2O2, that is hydroxide, perhydroxide, then acidic H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, peroxybenzoic acid, then peroxoacetic acid, then sodium percarbonate and 30% H2O2 with aryl selenium. These are the useful. Then mechanism, this Dakin reaction is related with the mechanism like to beer villager. When this salicylaldehyde is reacted with this OH group, there is formation of formate ester, and after hydrolysis there is form of that is a catechol or formic acid. This is the Dakin reaction. This is the mechanism part. Then its application. Dakin reaction has many useful for synthetic application. It is used for the this aldehyde into phenolic compound. That is, this is a substituted phenol. Para-hydroxy acetophenone, it is converted by using the H2O2. There is formation of hydroquinone. The Dakin oxidation is the most commonly used to synthesize benzene diol and alkoxyphenols. These compounds are synthetically useful products of the Dakin reaction, includes the guaiacol, a precursor of several fluorinates. Then hydroquinone, a common photograph developing agent. This hydroquinone which is formed in this Dakin reaction, which is used for the developing the photographic agent. So we see in this reaction or in this video we see the two reaction, beer villager reaction and Dakin reaction. So thank you.